Want to add your handwritten signature to a PDF electronically, making it look authentic and professional. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to do that, using your scanned signature image in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need an image of your signature if you haven't already. Sign a piece of white paper with a dark pen, then scan or take a clear, well-lit photo of it. Next, let's prepare that image. Most online PDF tools or editors allow you to upload this image for the best results. Ensure the background of your signature image is transparent. Many online tools offer a simple remove background feature, which is incredibly helpful. Now, open your PDF document in your chosen tool, look for the Add Image or Insert Signature option, click on it, and then select your prepared signature image file from your computer. You can now position and resize your signature image precisely where you want it on the PDF. Drag and drop it to the signature line, and use the corner handles to adjust its size. For a truly professional touch, consider using PDF editing software that supports creating digital signatures. These often allow you to save your signature as a template, ensuring uniformity and adding a layer of security and authenticity. Many dedicated PDF editors, like Adobe Acrobat or Foxit Phantom PDF, allow you to create and save your signature digitally. This means you can recall and insert it into any PDF with just a few clicks, eliminating the need to upload your image each time. Once you've positioned your signature, simply save your PDF. Congratulations, you've successfully added your signature to your PDF, maintaining both security and a polished appearance.